So hello guys, Dinesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will do one more exercise regarding Solidworks software. So we will use some new features. We will learn about something. Okay. So let's talk about. Let's start this. So go to software. So click on this new part. Double click on the part. You will enter into the part design workbench. So whenever you see the round parts, the revolve parts like this, you can use the revolve option. So for the revolve option, what you have to do is you need to specify only half sketch. Okay, so for that what I'm doing, I'm choosing the right plane sketch. Okay, so from here I'm choosing the one axis first. So this is acts as a my axis, and then now I will start adding the profile. So my profile is nothing but seeming like this. I want these 2 points. No. I want these 2 points are vertical and this line to be vertical. That's it. Now give the dimensions. So our ID is, you can say 16 it is. You can see I'm given the diameter values. So how can you do that? So if I want to give diameters here, so click on the smart dimensions and select the line and center axis, and here you can see if the cursor is this side it will show the radius, and the cursor is coming to this side it will give the diameter. Okay, and this thickness is 1 only. And enter. Okay, so this center length is 19, right? Okay, that's it. And what about OD? What about this OD? Okay, leave, and we will, you can see this is a 75. So from this line to axis and then OD. So but before that you need to enable the dimension option. See, 75. Okay, and okay, let's keep it. So I'm just keeping these two as okay. 10, it's enough. Now exit, control 7, see, click on the revolve tool and choose the, so if it is axis is not selected, so you will see nothing here. So in that case you have to choose the axis manually. So in this way you can get a revolve things like this. Okay, now there is a one radius which is, you can see the R10, R6. So what seniors will always suggest, won't do don't do radius or fill it in sketch level. You can always do the same thing in part level also, so which is a quite easy for later operations. Okay, so that's why I didn't given the fillet in the sketch workbench. So now the next I want to make this veins. Okay, for that what I have to do is I need to draw a sketch on this plane. Click on the plane, sketch. Yeah, now the thing is, okay, the radius is mentioned right here. Okay, yeah, we will try. so which is a construction, right? What about radius or diameter, which is 28? 28 into 2, 56. That's fine. And we needed two arcs for this. So for the arc, okay, I'm choosing a one arc like this. Okay, and make sure this center point is lies on this one. Okay, now what is the radius of this arc? 28. 20. Hope this will constrain properly after constraining this one. Sorry, it is not possible to constrain these two. Okay, now the thickness is nothing but 3.72. so for given the thickness, I'm just giving the offset value 3.72. 3.72. Enter. Now I want what I want, R19. So here is a one more circle is there, so I have to create it. R19. R19 means 19 into 2. Okay, 38. So let's untrim the areas that I don't want. Keep the operation in power trim. Okay, and okay, wait. I want this extract this edge, so I'm just extracting it. Press the this, you can see the convert entities option. So I want only this edge. So now trim it. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, now the sketch is black color, so everything is okay. Exit, Control 7, and extrude it up to 14. You can see the dimension here, so extrude it up to 14. Enter. Now the same feature that I want to explain is the circular pattern option. See, I have the one instant only here. I want this instance to be rotate about this one, right? So I want a number of bodies like this about this circular pattern, right? So for that I can choose this circular pattern option. So click on that. Here you can see the features or faces, and sometimes if you can, I will show you one option. So I just extruded it. If I want to make any changes or edit it, I need to click on this edit feature. So here you can see the merge result is option is enabled, so which is means that, so I'm doing it in the extrusion boss base one. So if I tick this, what will happen, this extrusion will merge with this one, so that means these two are showing as a same body. But when you untick this one, what will happen, so it will shows as a separate body. See, when you select it, it will select it will shows as a separate bodies, right? So keep this thing in your mind. It will helpful in the companies while doing the drafting. So merge feature will merge result will be helpful to you in drafting purposes. So right now just keep that in merge result. Now use the circular pattern. So since it is just a feature of this body, you can choose the feature, or if the merge result is option is unticked, so it will shows as a body. So in that case, the ticking in the features won't work. You have to put them in bodies option. Okay, so in my case, since it is a feature, I can choose this one. See, That is what it is displaying here. And the direction, since it is a circular pattern, I need to choose a circular body. See how many things I need. It is only 6 things I need. 6, enter. See, so similar thing that we do. One more thing I want to say, explain is, here you can see the suppress option. So whenever you don't need, or whenever you want something to be undo, in that case you can choose the suppress option. So let's do this suppression. Here you can see my pattern is still there, but it is like unhided, right? So it is completely removed from my body, but it is still there. So this is the use of this suppress tool. And I want to show one thing. So let's untick this merge result option. Okay, now the body is okay. So now use the circular pattern again. So choose this feature as choose this body as a feature and choose the direction. Let's see it is works or not. So click on OK. So what will happen? So even though it is showing the preview, it is showing an error. So because it is not feature, it is actually a body. So in this case you have to untick this feature option and click on this body and choose this as a body, and now it will works. So, and one more thing I want to explain is, so this feature you can see there is a line at the end of the specification tree. So when you placing the cursor on this line, here you can see a handle symbol is appearing, so which means you can drag it. So what is the use of this one is, so the design is done by someone else and you want to understand how he has done the design. So in that cases this rollback handle will very helpful to you. Okay, so in my case you can see, so I have a part and I want to know the chronology, right? So I just first created this revolve tool, and then I have applied one fillet. Okay, that's fine. And then I have done a one extrusion with this one, and if I want to change the sketch, you can see the sketch option is right here, or else you can expand this feature, you can see the sketch option is right here also. Okay, so and if you drag it again, it will show. Since we have suppressed this, so we cannot access now. See, this is how this rollback handle will works. So that's it guys, that's up to this video. If you find anything helpful in this video, please do subscribe to our channel.